What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you a simple question. What if you could have a business where you don't have to spend any money, literally not a penny. All you have to have is an internet connection and a computer, not even really a computer, you can even have just a smartphone, okay? You don't have to do any real work, okay? You don't have to buy any stock, okay? And like literally, you don't have to do a damn thing in order to make money. The only thing you basically got to do is spend a couple minutes putting up a simple ad. I'm going to show you where to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it in such a way that you can make money and you don't have to invest anything in advance. You only spend money when you have a customer who's already paid you. It is probably the simplest way of making money ever. It's all coming up in my review of Facebook e-commerce mastery. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can get as old as snow in New York. I mean, seriously, guys, how many snowstorms do we need to have here? Okay, I am getting sick of the snow, and I came back to New York because I like snow, but I'm getting sick of it. Okay, seriously, enough with the snow. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, look, you took last time off, okay? Seriously, keep taking time off. It's okay. You don't have to opine every single time. The guy drives me crazy, you know? Absolutely so annoying, that guy. Anyway, but seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz Lemon is a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. She's stuck in the snow here as well. I mean, seriously, you know, my goodness. She lives in Manhattan. She probably has, her building probably takes care of it for her. She doesn't have to deal with it herself like I do. I'm in Brooklyn, you know. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so here's the deal. This is the sales page for Facebook e-commerce mastery. It's a course from my friend Vikram. It's selling like crazy. Now, Facebook Marketplace is one of the best things imaginable. Yeah, you probably heard of eBay. A lot of people make money off of eBay. Okay, the thing about eBay though is you pay for listing fees. Okay, you also pay every single time that you make a sale, you pay a final value fee. So about 20% of whatever you make on eBay, you're paying to eBay. Okay, Facebook has their own pseudo version of eBay. It's not as formalized as eBay. Basically, people make a deal between themselves, as opposed to eBay, where eBay kind of like acts more as a middleman. But basically, it's a little bit like Craigslist, I guess. And people make deals on Facebook Marketplace all the time. Now, here's the thing, though. This course is going to teach you everything you need to know about Facebook Marketplace. You also can get with PLR, which means that you can sell this course, give it away, do whatever you want with it. Okay, and check out the price down here. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, see all the cool stuff you get with it. But check this out. I want to see the price of this course, because this is just insane when you get it with PLR, which means that you get to sell it as your own. $9.26. $9.26. Now, that alone is just crazy, okay? But I am going to give you something even better, because I've got a secret little trick that I learned about Facebook Marketplace. I made a video about it, okay? And very few people know about this trick. This trick allows you to sell on Facebook Marketplace, and not just stuff you have sitting around the house, you know, not just whatever crap you got sitting around that you don't want, okay? You literally could sell anything and everything, okay? Anything you could think of. I'm going to show you how to be able to sell it on Facebook Marketplace. You can sell brand new stuff on Facebook Marketplace, okay? And you don't have to actually own the item that you are selling, okay? This is not drop shipping, by the way. You're not going to be shipping directly to your customer, like, people do on eBay, where they basically will source it on Walmart for $17 and then sell on eBay for $27. No, you're not doing that, okay? Because people get pissed off when they get a package from Walmart that says that, yes, you pay $17. Oh, on eBay you pay $30. Well, too bad. People get pissed off about that. No, you're not doing that. What you're going to be doing is something where nobody's going to know how you're sourcing it. As far as they're concerned, you have a couple of these things sitting around and you're selling it at a nice discount on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to show you how to do this in a way that you are only going to spend money once you've already been paid, once you've already got somebody who's ready to buy from you. Okay, this is a very, very cool trick. I personally have used this method to make money, and it works every single time. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to pick the right item, how to buy it, how to price it, how to make sure that you're going to be able to sell it at a profit every single time without exception. Okay, this is a very, very cool thing. I've got a video that I created on it. You're going to get that video for free. Pick up any upgrade to the Facebook e-commerce mastery PLR, and I'm going to give you PLR on my video as well. Okay, that means if you pick up any upgrade to this course, and again, it's $9.26 this course, okay? Pick up any upgrade to this course, I'm going to give you PLR to my video. You can sell it along with this, and you'll have a bonus that you can give away. And nobody else has got this thing. It's a very, very cool method that very few people know about. It's not the typical thing that you usually see on Facebook Marketplace, something completely different. This is very, very cool. You're going to absolutely going to love this thing. Let me show you quickly the members area. I want to show you Facebook Marketplace as well, so you understand how this works. Okay, so you get all this stuff. The training guide, basically, this is the course. You're going to get a professional course. And you get all the graphics and the banners and all the other stuff that you need in order to be able to sell this thing as if it's your own. Okay, you get all these other things, resources and mind map and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, now check this out. This is Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so you can see here, it's still not set for New York. I have to reset it, tell Facebook that I'm here in New York. But you can see there's all kinds of stuff that people are trying to sell off on Facebook Marketplace for all different kinds of prices. Okay, and you could make money off of Facebook Marketplace. You could literally sell stuff here on Facebook Marketplace and make money off of it. It is one of the best ways to make money, and you don't have to spend a penny in order to get onto Facebook Marketplace. And because Facebook has over 1 billion users, and probably everybody you know in your neighborhood is probably using Facebook, you can make money off of this too. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay. The huge tip in my hat, because I love Facebook Marketplace. I know it works because I've used it myself. I've made money off of Facebook Marketplace. This really is one of the best things out there. Grab this one for less than $10. You really can't go wrong.